Hey YouTube, Abigail here, and welcome. Someone is being a big fat bully. Yellow orange, that's him. I'm recording. And yellow orange is being mean, and he keeps turning into different pets, so that way he wouldn't get in trouble. Thinking so other people could finally see all that. See all that junk. See all that junk. Oh my goodness, that's so annoying. And it's so annoying. I mean, like, look at that. He keeps turning into different pets, and that's junk. He keeps saying members are horrible. Yeah, I'm being mean because I'm recording someone who's being mean to us. Yeah. And I can't believe it. This is like the rudest bullying in the world. And you can go to this area without actually. He's turning into different animals, so he different hamsters, so he wouldn't get in trouble. That's junkity junk. Yeah, girls. Sorry. The magic of friendship. Hear that? Hear that? Hear that? There's no way we could stop him. I'm gonna keep following him until he goes away. I can't believe him. Ah, keep broken. He's so, he's so rude. Look at him. He looks suspicious. He is so rude. I can't believe it. He's being rude to members, making them feel bad. Okay, so where did he get out? People are not giving up until he admits that he's mean. So I'm recording still. Members aren't horrible. Members aren't horrible. What if you got membership? That is true. Well, if he gets membership, then he will have to call himself horrible. Yeah. I don't care if you heard that. I mean to you two, what if he got membership? So, he's still here. And he's turning into different animals still. Be rude. I'm showing everybody where the meanie is. Over here, over here, over here. What a bunch of non-members. But they still be mad at him for still making fun of members. Because they'd be like, oh no, I'm gonna be members tomorrow. Yeah, that'll make them feel bad. Think, no, I just don't want membership. No way. I don't want anybody to feel that way. So we're gonna get rid of that guy. Did I block him? Well, I will. Block and report him, guy. Actually, no. To make it more entertaining for you two. Okay, I'm gonna to see what he says now. Aww. Okay. Recorded and done. I'm not. So So, I'm still recording. To see what else he says. Okay, so flying monkey. Here's the user I want you to report. Mac Ward 0107. I want you to report this person, boy or girl, for being so rude to non-members. Her traits aren't even good, no offense. But you are rude. That is so, it's just so rude. Yeah, I'm not gonna ignore this until, like, anything else to say before we leave? Okay. Okay, so... Okay, so I don't know what to say now, except that flying monkey pet is, oh god, rude. I think he got enough people to ignore him for him to... Nobody can understand him since nobody can hear him anymore. It looks like since enough people ignored him, it looks like we can't talk to him now. Then someone responded to me. Since he responded to me, I knew that that I'm not reporting too much. Ignore the reported. So yeah, he is like rude, mean, and I'm gonna ask him. Anything else to say about? That's cool. Okay, anything else to say about members? Okay, so he has nothing to say. So report. I'll tell you who to report. I'll keep the name tag up. Please report this person. We do not want someone making fun of you. Oh, look, he left. Well, bye-bye, because I'm still keeping your name tag up, or otherwise I would lose you. So, YouTube, report Mac Ward 0107. And I'll see you later. And by the way, members are cool. And non-members has just as much happiness as members. It's just they can't do some activities. So if you're a non-member, then I would be nice to you by giving you something. Just not so something like Rarebug. Oh, I don't think I want to. Still, well, report him. And I'll see you later, YouTube. Sea Fox out. Owl PixieCat06826. Owl is Sea Fox. Woo! Oh no. Oh, there we go. Bye, YouTube. And the person's gone. He's gone. And bye, YouTube. And the meanie's gone.